Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video I will explain you how you can scrape Zillow.com with our data extraction API with ease. So let's start with this simple URL from Zillow.com, and first of all I will show you how you can extract raw HTML using our general scraper. So once I copy this URL over here, I will get a curl ready code. I can just copy and I will just show it to you like how it works in my browser itself. I just want to show you like how a raw HTML will look like. So once you scrape, this is the raw HTML, like you got the complete raw HTML of this particular page using our API. So this was easy, but here's the catchy part. Like from here, you will need to parse this data like you want to parse like price, the number of beds they're offering, what is the size of the house, what is the address of the house, etc., etc. So this is a very inefficient, or I would like to say it is a very headache process when you parse Zillow.com. So I will tell you a easy process which can be done through our API, and that is using our AI query parameter. So I'm using the same URL from Zillow.com. Let me just pass a query like give me price of each property in JSON. Give me price of each property in JSON format. Okay, let's try it. So we got the address of the property, the price of the property, and we got all the property prices available on this particular page. And what is the advantage of using this A query parameters? First of all, you don't have to create your own parsing logic. And the second advantage of using this is like Zillow.com keeps changing the tags. So you don't have to, rely hard code your the tags within your environment. You can just use our AI query parameter and pass this command like these. You can even set a rules, so hard make it like you can like command the AI to provide you results in a particular format. But yeah, this parameter will help you parse any website, and you don't have to even maintain a parsing code at your end. So I have also written a blog on this, like how to scrape Zillow property data using Python. And I have like done with the traditional method, like with hard coding the tags and things like that. But I'm assuming that these tags are changed now. So you can follow this article and then you can just try our API from over here. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to our dashboard where you can try Zillow.com or any other real estate website. Uh, so this is it for now. And if you have any questions regarding data extraction API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.